So this BMW X1 was having a lot of issues, from no start, no crank. So I just said, let me open the coolant, set the coolant to check if there's water or coolant in it, and I can see oil inside, and we all know what that means. That means we have either a blown head gasket or a cracked cylinder head or a failed oil cooler. So I decided to take the first thing first. At least, why is this engine not cranking? Even with oil inside the radiator, we should still have a cranking engine. So I tried to run diagnostics, and I was hardly having communication with a lot of modules. No communication everywhere. So I decided to check the wiring of this vehicle to confirm what is wrong with it. So I was able to detect that these two relays are bad, and it was hidden down here. So those two relays, one of them is the ignition and fuel injection relay, and the second one is the DME relay. So those relays are powering a lot of fuses and some systems that was preventing this engine from running. So I just went back to retidy all the connections I've used to start the car, because immediately after I replaced the two relays, the engine run and the car starts fine. So after I was able to get the engine running, I observed that the engine started overheating. So I tried to do some diagnostics to confirm why, and I noticed that the electric water pump was not spinning. So it doesn't use the normal mechanical water pump, it uses an electric water pump which sucks in coolant through one of the hole and pushes it out through the second hole. So this is an electrically controlled water pump. I noticed the pump was seized, so I have to replace the whole pump. So this is when I was removing the bad water pump, so I could replace it with a good one. So to take out this water pump, it is held in by just 3 bolts. There's one at the top and there's 2 at the bottom. You can see it's a very, very tight space to work here. So this is the pump impeller, that brownish blade you are looking at. So that is what it uses to suck in air, and that is very stuck. I can't even spin it by hand. Then it pushes it out through this opening here. So this is after the replacement of the water pump. As you can see, there's no error code on the dashboard and the car drives fine. No single jerking, everything is fine, and I've been driving for almost an hour and the vehicle hasn't overheated. So for now, everything is fine. Well, the engine oil was also changed, because I'm still leaving the parts of a blown head gasket open, but I will check for that.